Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we have the formula in here. So number one, that is about 1 square. So we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we have the second formula in here. Or maybe this one too. So they always equals to number 1. So for this situation, we have tan s plus 1, s plus 1, s approach to negative number 1, and this one equals to number 1. And now we have like this. And this one we have negative number 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.